So friends, here I am showing you some numbers which are divisible by 7. You can see 105, 112, 190 from the till the last 994. You have many numbers. See here. You can see over here we have too many numbers which are divisible by 7. The divisibility rule also they gave. Which I gave is only there over here. Our number is divisible by 7 if it has a remainder of 0 when divided by 7. Examples of numbers which are divisible by 7. So over here, okay, now our video is clear. So let's continue with our video. Today we are doing test of divisibility part 6, which you are seeing. I think you understood by the thumbnail. So over here, in our part 6 we are learning the test of divisibility of 7. So 7 is very rare number, which is also called a prime number. So here today we are checking about the test of divisibility of 7. So let's start our video. So friends, first we are reading our divisibility rule, which is divisibility rule of 7. Double the last digit. Our last digit we have to double and find the difference between remaining number. If the answer is divisible by 7, the whole number is divisible by 7. Suppose this number, we have to double this and the remaining number you have to keep aside like that. Our divisibility rule, if you did not understand, you can also read it. So first, our examples. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 examples. It's going to be a bigger video. So first we are taking, without time waste, 1001. So 1001 first, I took an easy number for our basicness, and at the last we are getting tougher and tougher numbers. You can see there are the last most toughest 7637. So over here double the last digit, right? Let's do it. Here I am doubling the last digit, which is 1. Double 2, and we have to find the difference between the remaining number and this. So remaining number is 100. 100 minus 2, 98. 100 minus 2 is equal to 98. Wait a second. Yeah, it's clear. So 100 minus 2 is 98. Next, find the difference between the remaining number. Done. The answer is divisible by 7. So here our answer is 98. We have to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. For that we have to do division. Okay friends, we have to do division. I'll do it in a short way. Wait a second. I have rubbed that. That's a little bit ugly. 7 by 98. So 7 by 98. First for 9, because 98 directly we can't take, right? So for first we are taking 9, which is 1, 7, and over here we are getting remaining 2. So 2 is smaller than 7, so we are taking 8 for support. So 7 1s are 17, 7 2s are 14, and 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 7 4s are 28. Wait a second. So 98 is divisible by 7. So the whole number is, so here 98 is divisible by 7. If the answer is divisible by 7, the answer at the last we get is 98. So it is divisible by 7. So this whole number is also divisible by 7. 1001. Done. Okay friends, now we are going to our next number, which is 448. Here we are taking 448 next. So now we have to double the last digit, which is 8. Plus 8 is equal to 16. So at 16 we get, we have to subtract from the remaining number 44. So 44 minus 16. It's a 2-digit number. So I am showing you in columns. So here 3, 14, 8, 2. So 28. We get the remaining number. So if the answer is divisible by 7, we have to see 28 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, because 7 4s are 28. So if 7 4s are 28, okay friends, 7 4s are 28. So here we got our answer. Means this number is divisible by 448 is divisible by 7. See friends, if you practice it, it will become more easy. I already practiced it for the video, so I am getting it easily. We are going to the next number, which is 1029. So now we are going to 1029. Last digit, which is 9. We are taking double 9. So we are doubling 9, which is 18. 18 minus 102. So 18 minus 102 we are doing. 18 minus 102. Okay? Okay, 18 minus 102. So here our answer we are doing. We are borrowing and taking 12. So 12 minus 8, it is 4. 12 minus 8, we are getting 4. 9 minus 1, 8. We took 9, right? So we are borrowing this. So our answer over here is 84. So now we subtracted 102 minus 18 and got 84. Now the answer is divisible by 7. If the answer is divisible by 7, the whole number is also divisible by 7. The answer we got now 84, right? So now here 84 by 7. 84, some ones are 7. 14. Some 2s are 14 again. Okay friends, 0, 14 minus 14. So 84 is divisible by 7, right? 84 is also divisible by 7. So the whole number is divisible by 7. 1029. 1029. What we are taking is 2961. So here 1 plus 1 2, our last digit. 1 plus 1 2, last digit is 1, right? So in this one 2 we get if we double 1. We are taking 296 minus 2, 294. 296 minus 2, 294. Check whether 294 is divisible by 7 or not. These are some example numbers which I gave for you. 29, 38, 74, 28, 8, 1, 1, 4 we are getting down, 14, 7 2s, 14, we got 0 at the last, so 294 divisible by 7, so 296 is all 2961 is also divisible by 7. Okay, 2961. Okay friends, clear? Okay, our next number is 3696. Last digit we are taking, which is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12. So the remaining number, which is 369, is subtracting. 369 minus 12 we are doing. So here 7, 6 minus 1, 5, 3. 369 minus 12, 357. So 357 we get. Now we have to check whether 357 is divisible by 7 or not. I'm doing it a little bit. This board is cross, right? So I'm writing it a little bit cross. I'm not able to write it properly. I'll kneel down and write. $35, 7 5s are 25. Someone does 7. Okay? 0. 51. 7 51s are 357. So 357 is divisible by 7. So 3696 is also divisible by 7. Now let's speed up. Our video is going to complete. I'll think it'll take some 12 minutes or 30 minutes. The video. So here 4445. Last digit 5. Let's take it. 4. This 5 10. 10 minus 4 44. 434. Now we have the answer. We got 434. If the answer is divisible by 7, the whole number is divisible by 7. So we are checking out the answer. I'll write it a little bit clear. 4 we can't take because 4 is smaller than 7. We are taking 43. 4 9s 43. So we get 4 over here. So at the remainder we get 4 over here. So this is not divisible by 7. The remainder we get 4. So this number is not divisible by 7. Or else let's check it once again. I think I did something wrong. Let's check. Okay. 4 4 4 5. 5 plus 5 10. Right. We have to check the answer if it is wrong. If it is not, we will be in problem again. 5 plus 5 10. 10 minus 4 44. 434. Yeah, right? Yeah. Okay. This number is absolutely wrong. So 4 is not divisible by 7. 4 4 4 5 is not divisible by 7. I thought it was, but it's not. You can't say it is divisible or not by seeing it, right? Seven, 6, 3, 7. It's a little bit tough, which we are doing now. Double 7. Let's do it in fast motion. Our last sum, right? Last sum we are taking number. Last number we are taking 7. 77, 14. 763 minus 14. 763 minus 14. 5. 30. 5 minus 1, 4. And 7. So 763 minus 14 is equal to 749. So now we are checking whether it is divisible, whether 749 is divisible by 7 or not. So which number we got? 749. We are dividing with 749. 7 we are dividing with 7 ones are 7. So 4 we are getting. 4 we are getting down. 4 is not enough because it's small. So we are taking another number down 9. When we take two numbers together down, we are taking a 0 over here. Okay. So 49. 7 nines are. 7 sevens are 49. So 0. So here we get 0. So the 749 was divisible by 7. Now this number is also divisible by 7, because if the answer is divisible by 7, the whole number is also divisible by 7. This is divisible. So from this sum, our whole sum completes. This sum is completed. So our next topic is going to be interesting. Okay, bye bye.